Hey friends, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways that can help you make more sales in your Etsy shop. No fluff, we're jumping right into it with number 1, adding personalization to your Etsy shop. In today's market, buyers are looking for something unique, something that feels made just for them. So offering personalized products in your Etsy shop can be a game changer. I don't know this as a fact, but I personally feel like Etsy pushes out listings more that have a personalized touch to them. I feel like a lot of buyers shopping on Etsy are purchasing items for their friends, family, loved ones, and a lot of times they want to add that personalized touch to it. So just keep that in mind, especially if you're selling an item and let's say it's not personalized and it becomes a bestseller. I want you to think to yourself, is there a way that I can take this same design and scale it out even further by adding a personalized touch to it? Let's say it's like a teacher shirt. You have a cute teacher design and it's a bestseller right now in your shop. Take that design, maybe slap it on the back of a sweatshirt, but then on the front of the sweatshirt offer a pocket design that's personalized where you can put the teacher's name on it, and then boom, that starts to sell and most likely will become a better seller than your original shirt that wasn't personalized. Just keep that in mind. We're always looking for ways to work smarter, not harder. Scale your business off of what's already working in your shop. So if you're not offering personalized items yet, my first suggestion is to go into your shops and see what bestsellers you have and if you can add some sort of customized piece to them on a separate listing. Don't change the bestseller listing, keep that as is, but make a new listing with that same design, maybe even a different product, and how can you add customization to it to scale your shop even further. Number 2 is group listings. So there's 2 parts to this. So group listings meaning like bachelorette listings, mommy and me listings, family matching listings. I love these types of listings because one new order can come in, but it might be for like 8 shirts, 12 shirts. It's just really exciting and it's a way that you can scale your business even more from just one listing by offering multiples within that listing. And these shirts do especially well around the holidays, like family matching shirts. And again, adding that number 1 to it, personalization. Wow. Group listings plus personalization, woo, they go a long way, especially during the holiday season. Don't sleep on that. The second part to group listings is maybe try to think of products that you can kind of bundle together within a listing. So we're going to jump into Printify. I'm going to show you some examples of this right now. Here we are in Printify and they have so many different products to choose from that makes it really simple for us to bundle some things together. So my example for this video is actually going to be workout clothes. So right here we have these women's workout shorts. You're able to make an all over print design on these. Here's some examples from Printify, but I thought that it would be really great to pair this item with a sports bra, which Printify also has. They have a few different kinds, and again, you can do the all over print. Again, you can do the all over print so that it would match the gym shorts. If you want to take it even further, we could add a water bottle into the bundle. They have a big selection of different water bottles. Again, an all over print could match the outfit. You could even take it further and do a yoga mat. Again, an all over print that you can use to match the whole set. Another example of bundling products would be for like the bedroom. So if we do like a blanket, so maybe you have an all over print design for a blanket. There are many different options on Printify to choose from, even comforters. A lot of times people want to make it a full set, so they might be looking for pillows with the same design, which Printify also sells. So you can make a pillow with the same all over print design to match the bedroom set. And my third way to make more sales on Etsy is to look into different product variations in high demand niches. So, you know, you're gonna go to Etsy and you're gonna search something that is in high demand. Let's say like the teacher niche, you know, and you're gonna see what are the best sellers there and how can you be better and what other types of product variations can you add to this niche. So earlier we discussed, you know, taking one of your bestseller designs from the teacher niche, let's say, and putting it on the back of a sweatshirt, but then offering, you know, the name on the pocket design on the front. So you're gonna do the same thing, but with other people's bestsellers. So you're gonna go to, let me just show you, we'll jump into Etsy right now. Quick little intermission. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a like, subscribe for more print on demand content. It greatly helps my small YouTube channel grow. Thank you for being a part of that. Also, if you're just getting started, you're gonna wanna go ahead in the description below and download my free print on demand to freedom course. It's going to hold your hand through the entire process of, you know, starting an Etsy shop, starting Printify, syncing the two, getting your first listings up. All right, so in Etsy, I just typed in teacher shirt and I would just take some time to browse whatever niche I decide to type into the search. Take like 10-15 minutes to browse the first few pages, get a feel for bestsellers that are selling, designs that are selling, different aesthetics that are selling. You're going to collect all of this information. You can also search on Instagram and Pinterest. I like to do that as well. But for time purposes, we're just gonna go through a quick way too to see some bestsellers is to come up here to all filters, and then you're going to come here to star seller. Then you're going to come up to the URL here and find that word star, and you're going to replace that word with best, and then Etsy will show you the best sellers. So we're going to browse. For time purposes, I'm just going to take a look at this one. It says popular now. It's a beautiful day for learning. Let's click in here. It's a bestseller. It's had a total of 136 sales. I bet you this will increase even more the closer we get to the school year. 7 people bought this in the last 24 hours. So this would possibly be an option for me to make my own design that has this quote or a similar quote. Again, be sure to always go to uspto.gov to make sure that a quote or a word is not trademarked before you're putting it onto a shirt. But maybe I would take this quote, if it's not trademarked, make my own design with my own aesthetics, and different fonts. I would make this within Canva, and I would consider putting it on the back of a sweatshirt, and then on the front of the sweatshirt have a pocket design. Another idea that you could do is, let's go into Printify. I'm going to go to sweatshirts. My favorite sweatshirt, by the way, is the Gildan 18,000 right here. I also enjoy the comfort colors for myself, but take a look at these prices. You get a much higher profit margin when you're using the Gildan 18,000 as opposed to the comfort colors. So we're going to click into here and I'm going to show you. Another thing you could consider doing is, let's go to choose manually. So Swift POD is who I mostly use, and for numerous reasons. Their pricing, I like their color selections, and then they also offer a bunch of different print areas. So as you can see here, it says that it offers sleeve prints as well. So let's go into start designing so I can show you. So I would maybe consider, down here is where you're gonna find the print areas, okay? So on the front side, I might offer a little pocket design right here where it can be personalized and they can add the teacher's name. Then the back side, I would put that quote, right? So that's one way that I would do it. Maybe a different way to stand out would be to keep, now I'm back to the front side, keep the design on the front side, but maybe I'll put the teacher's name on the sleeve. So adding that personalization touch on the sleeve, and maybe on the other sleeve we put the school year, another added personalized bonus. So these are just some quick ways that you can stand out in a more saturated market, because the teacher niche is saturated. So we need to use different product variations so that you can stand out among the other Etsy sellers.